Every year on October 12th, we celebrate World Arthritis Day. This day carries significance because this day we go for awareness about arthritis. As we know, arthritis is coming to be a deadly non-communicable disease of this century. Every year, we have a theme for this World Arthritis Day, and this year theme is "It's in your hand to take action." As a doctor, as orthopedic surgeon, I would convey this that everyone should be working for the awareness of the arthritis. As we know, arthritis is very crippling, and broadly it may be of two types. One is inflammatory arthritis and one is osteoarthritis, and more crippling is osteoarthritis and more so is inflammatory arthritis because it cripples a individual in his or her young age, that is maybe around from 10 to 12 years to up to 40 years. This inflammatory arthritis sets in. In India, if you take a statistics, almost 20 to 30% of the population are affected by arthritis, either by osteoarthritis or inflammatory arthritis, and almost up to 5% of the population will be affected by inflammatory arthritis, which is more deadly. And few years back, if you take 10 to 20 years back, we know that any arthritic patient, they were not surviving beyond 30 to 40 years of age. The longevity in them in these cases were very less. But thanks to many type of modalities of treatment, may it be medical treatment, may it be stem cell therapy, may it be surgical treatment, now the longevity has increased to maximum possible. So this has to be conveyed to each and every individual who is suffering from arthritis. We should not ignore any pain in the knee joint or in the hip joint or in any small joints of the hand. And when we have a small joints in the hand involved or small joints of the foot involved in a young patient, then it may be a rheumatoid arthritis. And as I told, the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis or any other inflammatory arthritis has gone beyond your imagination. So the treatment every month, you can say every few days after a newer drug is coming for the disease modifying effect of inflammatory arthritis, which carries good response. And nowadays people who were crippling before can do their day-to-day activities normally, and they can walk normally, do their job in a normal way and without any aid and without any pain for sure. So this is about inflammatory arthritis. But the other thing is osteoarthritis, which is more so crippling because it happens in little older persons. So as old age sets in, people are as such very weak as far as muscle power is concerned, with number of other diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, thyroid. So with this, if osteoarthritis is there, it becomes more crippling and depressing for the patient as he becomes dependent on the family members. So to prevent osteoarthritis, we have to have a good life, good exercise schedule, good diet control, so that we tone our body and make the joint supple, so that this joint arthritis doesn't set in. But if it sets in, it may set in at a later date. So along with this osteoarthritis as such, many more modalities of treatment have occurred, has come to the market, that like stem cell therapy, like different supplements for nutrition of the joint fluid, viscosupplementation, and all these work a long way, and the patient may be normally walking before going for a joint replacement surgery. So on this day of World Arthritis Day, I will request all citizens of this country along with world over to be part of this drive that we should be making everyone aware of any pain happening in the joints, which should not be ignored, and it should be consulted to a specific doctor and the treatment started, because if it is detected early, then we can treat it to normalcy. The patient will be normal, doing his day-to-day activities normally. On this World Arthritis Day, we should take a pledge that this awareness of arthritis should go to the grassroots level, and it will be through you that it can reach the grassroots level if you share this to your near and dear ones. The points on which I will focus is, the first thing is that we should be having a good balanced diet, maintain weight, and have a good exercise schedule to have a good healthy life. The second point will be, you should be taking your medications as per your doctor's prescription, and you should not stop these medications when you are prescribed for arthritis, and sometimes it may be lifelong you have to take these medications. And the last point, and but not the least, whenever you have any pain, any joint pain, don't ignore it and take immediate medical help. Ask some doctor or any other specialized orthopedic or rheumatologist to have a diagnosis, and if you have a diagnosis, then you are pretty sure that you don't have arthritis, and if you have arthritis, then take the medicines as per your doctor's prescription. For more information, stay tuned to know about different aspects of arthritis, its modern management techniques, and different investigation methods which are available. Tit by tits, we will be covering all these aspects in our future videos. Wish you a healthy joint life. Thank you.